10-4, 9800, 156. Sierra 30.
Going north on Sunset.
10-4, north on Sunset. Sierra 3930, signal 12, it was heading in the wrong direction in traffic. Into the 10-8.
Currently north Sunset Harbor Road, passing Lake Weir Middle.
10-4, north on Sunset, passing Lake Weir Middle.
Gonna bail on foot.
10-4, 1031 on foot.
We got a white male, red shirt. He took his shirt off. He's got black pants. He's running west through the woods behind Red. Stop! Stop! I'm gonna tase you. Stop! I'm gonna tase you.
55, 1026.
You're gonna get tased. Stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Roll over on your face. Do it now. Stop resisting!
Listen, I'll stop resisting.
Stop resisting! Put your hand behind your back. Do it now.
Talk to me like I'm a human, please. Can you do that? Bro.
I'm gonna tase you.
So you
do it now.
Talk to me like I'm a human, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
I can't breathe, bro. I can't breathe. What's up?
Go ahead. Roll over. Sit on your butt.
10-4, everyone 51, 61, 19, split routine.
Come on, bud. Put your feet underneath you. Put your knees up. Stand up. What's your name? You can breathe. You're in really bad shape, bro.
I really can't feel my legs, sir.
You can too.
Pope, I can't.
You're moving them.
Pope, I can't feel them, though.
Look, what's your name?
Christian.
Christian? What? Christian what?
Trudell, Pope, you know who I am, Pope.
Christian what?
Trudell.
Trudell? I know you. Where do I know you from? Why are you being like this? You know me. Have I treated
I
you?
just wanted to go to the hospital.
Did I treat you with disrespect before?
No, man. I just
Then why are
wanted
you
to
being
go
like
to
this?
the hospital.
Then why'd you run?
Because she needs to go.
That's stupid.
I don't
Christian.
even care about the medic. Just please get her to the hospital.
Okay, well, I can't do anything because I can't just leave you here. You want me to help her? You got to get up and get in this car. Christian, I don't know why you're acting like this, bro.
Please get my wife to the hospital, man.
I can't do anything until you get in this car. Truesdale.
You know who I am, bro.
Christian Trudell. Truesdale or Trudell?
Well, I know who you are.
From the county jail, man.
Hey, bend your feet. Bend your feet. Bend it.
What's he crying about?
He said he can't. Put your knee down. Put your knee down. Come on. Get your feet underneath you. Stop acting like that, bro. There you go. You got it. You got to work on your cardio, bro. How old are you?
I got asthma, man.
You look like you're in shape. How old are you?
27.
You got chased down by a 45-year-old man.
I wouldn't doubt it, bro.
That's sad.
I mean, it doesn't help that my leg gave out on me, as you can see.
Okay. All right, sit tight, buddy.